Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to do a dry twist out for the first time, and I'm starting off on this old wash and go that has, I don't know, I think it's about 3 or 4 days old. I'm actually quite liking the volume of it, but it needs to be re-moisturized, and I thought I would try a dry twist out because I've never done one before. So I'm just sectioning off my hair, and I'm starting off with this small section at the back, and I'm only using one product for this, and it's the As I Am Double Buttercream. So as I said, my hair is completely dry, so I'm using this wide tooth comb to detangle, and I'm showing you this bit in real time because I want you to see exactly how much time I'm taking while I'm detangling that small section of hair. It's really important that you start at the very ends of your hair and work your way up as it becomes less tangled to minimize any breakage. So that is that piece all detangled, and I'm going to apply a small amount, well, kind of a medium size amount of the double buttercream. And I decided to use the double buttercream because it's a butter, so it isn't as much of a liquidy or watery product, because obviously I don't want my hair to revert and shrink up. I want to retain the length I have from it being dry. So that's why I'm using an oil and like an oily buttery based product. So I just applied that as you saw, and paying specific attention to the ends because that will be your driest part. And then I'm just twisting it up, and then at the end I'm adding just a little bit more of the butter to make sure the ends are really covered in butter. And that's my little twist. My hair is like super fine, so I think it's low density and I have fine strands. So when I do twists, they always come out really, really small. You'll see at the end, I have about, I don't know how many twists I had, but not that many. And yeah, they were just all very thin. But that's just my hair. And that's just how it is. And then I'm just showing you this bit because I want to show you how I sectioned off my hair. So I did 3 twists at the bottom, and then I do kind of another row. So then I did a row of where I'm doing one now, and then I move on to the top. So I let the top down like this, and then I do like each half. So then I think I did 3 or 4, no 3. So I did 1 at the back there, and then I split that front bit into 2 eventually. So yeah, as I said, there's really not many twists in my hair. Most videos I see of people doing twist outs, if they do this few twists, the twists will be really big and chunky, but with my fine hair, they're really, really small. So there's no way I can ever wear like mini twists or anything like that because my hair just looks ridiculous. So yeah, I'm just showing here how I'm sectioning off this top part into 3 twists at the top. And these are probably the biggest twists actually, but they're still quite small. So the reason I wanted to try a twist out on dry hair is because I suffer from a lack. It's not like I'm suffering, but I do have a lack of volume with my hair because of how fine it is and how low density it is. So when I do it on wet hair, I find that my twist outs are quite flat and not very volumized. So I thought I'd try doing one on dry hair and see if I got a bit more volume, and I definitely did. And also the other benefit of doing it on dry hair is that it does not shrink up as much because it's already dry. But as I said earlier, if you're doing it on dry hair, I would recommend using a oil or butter based product to stop your hair from reverting. So as you can see here, my hair is very low density, the twists are really small, and you can see a lot of my scalp. So yeah, that's my trouble. But this is the twist dry, and I left them to dry overnight. And I'm just using this DIY oil. Well, DIY, I just mix some oils together. I'll write in the description what oils are in it, because I can't remember off by heart. So now I'm just showing you in real time me undoing the first twist, and I'm showing you in real time so you can see that I'm taking time and taking care not to like do it too quickly so as not to cause too much frizz and just keep the definition. So that's how they're looking, and I think I'm getting quite a lot of definition and a lot of shine. So I really like using this butter because it's the first time I've used this butter on its own. So yeah, I recommend it. So there's me just showing you another one, and I'm just going to show you a few of the twists and how they look when I take the twist out. That one looks really good. Like, you get a lot of shine, a lot of definition. Yeah, so I'd really recommend this butter for a dry twist out. So just having a sip of water because this is thirsty work, and then I'm moving on to separating the twists. So I'm showing you this in real time as well, just to show you how much time I'm taking to do it. I'm not being too precise with this though, because as I said, I do want to create some volume. So I'm more interested in the volume than the definition. So I'm just separating these as much as I see fit to create the best volume. Probably about 3 or 4 times for a big twist, and then maybe 1 or 2 times for the smaller twists. So this is my hair completely separated, and I am definitely getting a lot of volume compared to how it would look if I did it on wet hair. If you want to look back at one of my previous videos of a twist out on wet hair, you can go and compare the two. But I'm just going to add a bit more volume by using this broken pick because I don't have a non-broken one. So yeah, just slightly, not picking it out too much. I'm just picking out the roots because my hair is actually, I think it's because it's low density that it also doesn't hold styles for very long. So this will probably only last me, you know, a couple of days or something. But I really liked how it came out. I think I've got a lot of definition and a lot of volume. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe for more videos like this. Let me know if there's anything you want to see. Until then, thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.